Hey, it's the next day and I'm on my way to Merced to meet this new guy. Kind of nervous. Alright, here we go. Well, I'm getting close. The closer I get to the place where I'm supposed to meet this guy, I get more and more nervous. Anyway, supposed to be up here by a Starbucks. Let me turn you around. This is, I don't think I've ever brought you to Merced this way. This is the country way, actually, and we're just coming into the outskirts of Merced. Oh, I guess this would be the southeast side of Merced. Something like that. I don't even know if I'm in the right place anymore. I'm so nervous I'm lost. Yeah, okay. Anyway, so I'm probably about 3 minutes from where I'm supposed to meet him. This is crazy. What am I doing? Go on. Drivers. Anyway, alright, I gotta pay attention to my driving. Like I said, I've got about 3 minutes until I'm close to where I'm supposed to meet, and I'll bring you back. Okay. Well, I think I'm about a block away from where I'm supposed to meet this guy, so I think I'm just gonna let the... Yep, this is it. I'll just leave the camera running, so we'll see how it goes. And my voice thing isn't working, so I'm looking for... I don't know where I'm going. I know I'm not supposed to meet people at their houses, but... I don't know if that's it or not. Alright, I gotta go so I can figure this out. Hold on. There you go. Let's see how this goes. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm so nervous. I don't know how much of that you could see, but yes, Max is a dog. German Shepherd that was abandoned, and this is his foster house. So I'm gonna go home. I'm hurting. Bye, guys.